So here's my table full of goodies. Got rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle, a lantern just for light, syringe hooked to a little hose, and a baggie, some medical tape, cotton ball swab, and anyway, I don't know about you all, but I don't like needles, but I got water on the knee. Today is October 5th, 2017, and I'm going to remove water from my knee. I've never done anything like this before. I do not like needles, but I have to do this procedure so I can get back to work. Any carpet installer knows how important it is to have knees that are in working order. So let me begin. This is what my knee looks like. As you can see, it's full of liquid, and I've got to get it out of there, so I stopped at the local Walmart yesterday and picked up a couple of syringes, and, well, they're only 13 cents a piece, so if you want to try this at home, have at it. Now, I'm not going to like doing this because I really do not like needles. Here's my syringe. I hooked up a hose to it because I don't want it squirting all over the place, and I run it into a Ziploc baggie, so it should all drain in the baggie. I do not like doing this. Here's the needle. Doesn't that look nice? It's got a big opening in it, so where's the lens at? It's got a big opening in it, so that should let the fluids out. And bear with me a second, because I'm not digging this. And I've got to go into the right spot. I don't want to be poking around in other things. Everybody ready? And there we go. I can't tell if any oh yeah, here comes the liquid. And there it goes down into the bag. Well, it's not quite reached the bag yet. This ain't so bad. You can see it's going into the bag. Beats having it all over the floor, eh? And I thought it'd be a lot worse than what it is. It's going to take a minute because I've got to squeeze all that stuff out, and I've got to find the spots where... there we go. Now we're getting some good flow. There's actually quite a bit of fluid in there. I've got to go back in a little farther, fish around for some more fluid. Oops, I shouldn't have let go of the syringe. I didn't seal it very well, so some of it's going onto my leg. Oops. You'll go in a little farther again. A little farther. Well, I was hoping to get more of that out of there. I may have to adjust the needle. Oh, there we go. Found the sweet spot. Lost it. Darn it. It's all running down my leg now. I need another hand to help me push this shit out. I gotta hold the needle in place. Well, I'm catching some of it in the bag, but not a lot. I gotta go in deeper with the needle. Fish around a little bit. It doesn't hurt, I'm just pushing on it. And there you have it. Doesn't that look yummy? You know, I brought cotton swab out to clean my knee and I never did. How about now? Crap. Oh well. I've now done dirty tack strip and some of the worst dirty tack strip. Feels like I took a lot of pressure out of there. And it also looks like I'd have. So I'm gonna just slap a band-aid on this so I ain't bleeding all over my floor. And there you have it. I may have to do it again tomorrow. I don't think my bandage is gonna stay. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe tomorrow I'll have another one for you. For all you carpet installers out there, it didn't hurt. Think about it, man. When you go to the doctor, he's gonna hit you up a couple of times with a syringe and to numb it or take it out, whatever. You can poke needles in you just as well. I'm out.